don't be too proud to work for a living. There's nothing wrong in it.
What'd you say?
There's nothing wrong in working for a living.
Working for a living? Yeah. What do you call this motherfucker? Is that working for a living? Huh? Is it working for a living when I carried my best friend's legs under this arm and the rest of him under this arm? I saw a fucking baby with his fucking head cut off. I saw a fucking pile of feet in the middle of the street, dude, and I had to clean it up. I gave my fucking life for this country. That's not work? And what's it done for me? Huh? What's it fucking done for me?